In automotive manufacturing, every detail impacts vehicle performance and safety. With 20 years of expertise, ETOP delivers professional and reliable, custom wiring harness solutions, specializing in R&D and production of automotive wiring harnesses. ETOP provides end-to-end services, from design to mass production, ensuring premium quality and fast delivery. We serve both conventional and new energy vehicle markets. Equipped with world-class manufacturing facilities and rigorous quality control, ETOP's wiring harnesses meet multiple industry certifications for reliable performance in various conditions. Our engineering team provides expert technical support. Visit our website to learn more.